Oh, I've had way too much Frappuccino today.
It's Frappuccino Day here in the studio. We are making banana Frappuccinos. So we're taking classic vanilla bean Frappuccino that you could get at Starbucks, but we're doing an at-home version.
Earlier, Christopher and I went out to go get some Frappuccinos. It's a hack that you could do at Starbucks.
You know, it's kind of like when you go to, where is it?
Like In-N-Out?
In-N-Out, yeah.
Okay.
Can I get a vanilla bean Frappuccino blended with a banana? And then the other one we're gonna do a strawberries and cream. Can I add Java chip?
Yes.
And then a banana too.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you have the banana split version, strawberry chocolate chips, and banana. Give it a taste and let me know what you think.
All right. Oh, that's actually really nice. Mild banana flavor, then you get that tart strawberry syrup. It's like that nice balance that you're like, ooh, it's refreshing.
So that's the vanilla with a banana. So something super simple. You'd think vanilla's basic, strawberry's basic. What do you think?
I like this.
It's so good.
It's so good.
And it's kind of makes it more of a smoothie when you add like a fruit to it, like banana or something. I feel like you're not at Starbucks.
No, I feel like I'm at like Sonic. Or...
Yeah, just adding a banana to like the regular Starbucks drinks is so great. I'm gonna start with a vanilla syrup. Okay. You're gonna start with a strawberry syrup. Sure. So I'm gonna do half a cup of water. Oh, a little over poured there. Just like cocktail hour, just a little bit of an over pour. Half a cup of water. I'm gonna do half a cup of sugar. Tyler, if you would cut up some strawberries.
Sure.
Only need maybe about 6. This syrup doesn't need long, maybe just a gentle simmer, but it doesn't need much to come together.
What inspired you to want to make this, other than the fact of recreating a banana Frappuccino?
Well, I was seeing banana Frappuccinos online, and Starbucks doesn't advertise them, and I'm like, what is this? And apparently, you can basically make whatever you want at Starbucks. Starbucks is, Starbucks. Starbucks is so accommodating to like any taste, any, you know, preferences these days. You can really customize it with anything in the store.
Right.
I've even heard of people like some of like the muffins and those, people are blending those into Frappuccinos. So you just order something from the pastry case and you blend it into your Frappuccino, which I think is ridiculous, but apparently they'll do it for you. So Tyler, in the strawberry puree, you're gonna want a little bit of water, maybe just a tablespoon, half a tablespoon.
I'm just gonna eyeball it. Good enough.
And then maybe like a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Hot tamale, I'm just gonna leave that there.
Already added some water, added the sugar, this is about 6 or 7 strawberries. It's gonna be nice and fruity.
Blend it up.
I think it would help if we
plugged it in.
Yeah, let's plug it in first.
You seemed a little low energy over there.
No.
Just... it's going. Yeah. Perfect.
Is this thin enough or do you want it thicker?
No, that's perfect. We're gonna do a full tablespoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, the best kind you can find, because that'll give you the best flavor. The other thing I'd like to add, vanilla bean paste.
What? I've never heard of that.
Yeah, vanilla bean paste is like a vanilla extract, but it's just all the seeds. And why I like that is if you see in the Starbucks Frappuccino, there's little like vanilla bean seeds floating around in there. So this will give you the vanilla bean seeds. I found this stuff online, and ever since I've been using it, I like love it. It's a really cool vanilla ingredient, and it has like a huge vanilla punch.
So potent. Actually, it's not that sweet.
It's not, no, yeah, it's not really sweet.
I dare you to take a
shot. I did an experiment while I was testing this recipe of like what vanilla extract actually tastes like. It does not taste like vanilla. Do not eat this. It tastes like death. It tastes like alcohol. It doesn't taste like vanilla until it's like diluted or mixed into something.
You had me at alcohol. Actually, this isn't too bad.
So the paste tastes a little bit more like vanilla, but the vanilla extract does not taste like vanilla. Our at-home Starbucks vanilla syrup is ready.
Perfect.
And you want a lot of vanilla in there to make it like super vanilla-y, because you're gonna mix it with a drink, and to really get that vanilla flavor in there, this has to be really strong.
I'm gonna blend this real quick.
This is gonna cool off. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Cool.
Who sings that? Florida or Flowrida?
Oh my goodness, Tyler thinks that the original singer of You Spin Me Right Round is Flo Rida. That is not true.
I don't know.
Who's the band that originally sings You Spin Me Right Round? Who sings You Spin Me Right Round?
You Spin Me Round, like a record, is by Dead or Alive.
The name of the band is Dead or Alive? See, it's an 80s band, I don't know who it is. Strawberry syrup, all ready to go.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that, easy. Did you give it a taste?
Perfect sweetness right there.
Perfect sweetness?
Yeah.
That's
There
good
we go.
stuff.
There we go.
That's
Look
our
at
syrup.
that.
Starbucks syrup is probably got like chemicals in it. No offense to Starbucks. That's why I like make at home stuff and like these versions of it, because you know exactly what goes in it.
I have heard that.
Not Florida.
Not
No,
Florida.
Not Florida. I'm gonna make just the original Frappuccino.
Okay.
You can make a concoction of your own. We got some syrups here. We got some chocolate chips. So talk through the options. Oh gosh.
King Arthur right here.
I am worthy, okay? So we have our bananas. They're not the prettiest bananas, but ugly bananas are ripe bananas, and you really want the ripest bananas you can find.
Nice and sweet.
Nice and sweet. The end is wrapped. Do you know why the end is wrapped?
What I've heard and what I've read is that by wrapping the stem here, it keeps the bananas fresher longer.
Has something to do with the like loss of carbon. I don't
Probably.
know.
So you peeled yours from the what?
That end. That's what I've heard is the right way to peel a banana is from this end,
I'd say
not from the
bottom.
stem end.
Yeah, so
yeah, from the bottom.
Someone told me that you could just pull it apart like this, and that's how you peel it.
Oh, from the middle? I want to see you do it. I want you to try.
All right, muscles. Ah!
Oh, you just rip it in half?
Yeah, it's actually not that hard.
Well, how do you get the banana out of there?
I don't know, I guess then you just peel it like so.
I think you just like kind of like push it. Oh, if you squeeze it, if it's ripe and you squeeze, that's really easy.
Ah, there we go.
There's more of a squeeze. I'm gonna freehand this, but you want about a half cup of milk.
Okay.
Got our banana in there. We want about a cup of ice, which should be about a scoop and a half of this ice. Also, this is smaller cubes of ice. It's like crushed ice. That'll help you get a smoother, more consistent blend.
Well, I guess yeah, if you have big chunks of ice, what I've done is I've wrapped in like a towel, and then you just smack it on the
There you
on
go.
the counter.
Yeah, you want to give the blender a head start. We're gonna do 3 shots. So 1 shot at Starbucks is about a tablespoon. So 3 shots of the vanilla syrup, and it's really that easy. So the vanilla bean frappuccino is basically just like a cream base and vanilla syrup. Blend it with a banana and some ice. That's what Starbucks does, and you've got your own make-at-home version. Oh, looking creamy, looking frothy.
It's like that sweet spot where you know it's ready.
You can kind of hear it change from that grinding sound to like a more like even tone. And I love blended banana because it's like so frothy.
Yeah.
So that is the vanilla bean frappuccino. And you see we use the vanilla paste. So all those little vanilla seeds are in there, which
I
makes
see.
it look cool.
Mm-hmm.
Makes it look so premium when you have the vanilla seeds in there.
Mmm, so bougie. Oh wow, that tastes just like the one we had earlier at Starbucks.
I'm gonna give it a go.
Pretty darn close.
That's super good.
I think the one at Starbucks was a little sweeter though.
It was a little sweeter, and I think ours is a little better because this banana is super ripe. The one at Starbucks is like, they just grab any old banana, and it's so like creamy and frothy. That's some good stuff right there.
Like if you take the time to dial in, whereas like sometimes if you go to like maybe like Starbucks or somewhere else where they just get whatever ingredients they can,
Exactly.
you can really elevate your product.
So the next version basically has the same base. You could wash this out, but we already have a banana ready to go. The other one we had was a strawberry chocolate one.
Yeah.
So that's basically what this one is. So same kind of ratio almost. We're gonna do just a little bit of the syrup here.
Okay, just a little, and then we want.
Just some of those chocolate chips, because that's all the Java chip is. It's basically like a chocolate chip. And you can add more, you know, Starbucks puts in whatever the subscribed amount. Oh, that's a lot, Tyler.
I ain't driving home.
All right, that's a scoop. It's a scoop and a half. Vanilla syrup.
Yeah, they put a little bit of vanilla syrup in this, right?
So yeah, it's about 2 shots instead of 3, I think, because we have a little bit of that sweetened strawberry in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Nice.
give that a whip. You gotta really get those chocolate chips.
I know.
I think we poured about a quarter of a cup of them in there.
Hey, I want it nice and chocolatey here.
Okay.
I think it's pretty good.
So ours at Starbucks, our banana split frappuccino had like the syrup on the side. I'm, of course, doing it my way and adding some chocolate drizzle, but you can ask Starbucks to do the same thing.
Look at that.
Ooh, that actually looks super, super good. Look, it's like the right consistency because the straw stands
I
up.
think so, yeah.
How'd you do, Tyler, with your extra chocolate chips?
Too
So
thick.
one stuck in there?
Since you added the chocolate syrup, it's that's a little bit more overpowering right now. Maybe also because I put like
There's
half
a lot
of
of
this.
chocolate chips, but the banana flavor is really, really great in this.
I do like it, yeah.
And the vanilla.
Compared to the one that we got at Starbucks, I think I like this one more. The one that we had at Starbucks, it was like, I kept getting pockets of the strawberry syrup.
Oh yeah, because they put a lot in the bottom, so sometimes when you're drinking it or you push your straw to the bottom, you like suck up a whole like bunch of strawberry syrup. But this is all it takes to make your own like DIY Frappuccino bar.
Yeah.
And the banana Frappuccino is so great by itself. I mean, vanilla and banana, you would think that's super basic, but it tastes so, so good. And it's so creamy because a ripe banana, it just like has a perfect flavor balance with that vanilla.
Look how thick it is. It's kind of like a meal in a glass.
Yeah, but this is all you need. Vanilla syrup, you can make it yourself at home. These ingredients are usually on hand, sugar, vanilla. Well, thank you, Tyler.
Yeah, no problem.
Our
Cheers.
traditional cheers. We always cheers everything we make in studio.
And we don't share it with the office.
Or you can put both straws in your mouth and drink them at the same time.
Actually, that's not too bad.
Oh, and add whipped cream. You can add whipped cream and toppings, which we didn't do, so.
We gotta get a whipped cream make. Well, I
Well, I
guess.
have some in the refrigerator, I just forgot it. Really prepared today,
Okay.
aren't I?
If you really want to make it more handmade, just make your own whipped cream. It's not too hard. It just takes a lot of work.
That's
It takes
too
work.
extra. That's the Martha
Why not?
Stewart Frappuccino for you there.
If
Let
we're-
me milk my own cow, separate the cream. So I really like these versions a lot more than the Starbucks one. I mean, the Starbucks ones are great. If you're out and about, by all means, get a Frappuccino. But there's something about controlling the ingredients and making an at-home one that's so delicious.
If I make it at home, it'll have a shot of espresso in it.
Oh, I was about, a shot of what in it? A shot of what, Tyler? Okay.
This is a family-friendly show.
Family friendly. Well, if we're supposed to bring the joy, then a shot of spirit and mind will definitely bring some joy.
Oh, that brings a lot of joy.
Well, that's it. Banana deliciousness, whipped up, so tasty, custom made at home. Do you clean this up? Thanks. Okay, great.
Yeah, I mean, I'll clean these up real quick. Hold on.